Hello, me mo bibia kwa baba idata.ga.com so. And the video we me no me betchero bibia say na obe download the app no. Ato phone so. idata.ga.com app no. Ato Android phone so. So your Apple user there, keep on using the website for the meantime. As time goes on, there be more app no available on the App Store so that you can also download. But for now, the Android users no. This is how you can download and install the app successfully on your device. We a newcomer no waba. Site we so always normally look for post BTCC. When you post BTCC, it contains the websites and both the link to become an agent. Near top one, first one link full website no direct main page and then link there was second page down and no link join VIP agents if you want to resell to the people and then we are working on the first one because we have to go to the main page of the site. You call main page now when you bit me and download the app no Android app nefi it's me aso me enhwade ebe direct work internet browser munti we dey so very relaxing na page na ABAT say na media ebie say ya me we so ya na say o go download the app nti no answer obe scroll ya ko down o ko na ko do down obe hanom no be hu download our app na we hu Google Play Google Play ya miaso Google Play na so automatically na nkasa no go se browser na start download the apps no I download the app na we ntisisi na what's your install the app no nti ya kwan ya de be fa so install the app ne ne obekọ wo file manager mo ti what's your close ya ne ya ko file manager ye be file manager say ya ne ya ko installations data app no and that one first one me downloading 1126 ya and one that time now so na was na we mia to click here now selecting your person install ya of device ni baby sa person install na we mia install me use Samsung maybe I will use Infinix, Itel, Techno, but still a procedure na yepe. Ufa procedure we so obe install the app no successfully. Ebe juma pepe no restriction. We Android users and we iPhone user na Apple user. Just keep on using the website. Safari obe call websites successfully. Until we Apple user keep on using the website, but we Android user now we agent I will advise you to download the app. But we Android user but when you agent don't try to download the app, use the website as Apple users does. If you say we download the app na optional bit media to agent option. The app is specifically for agents for as customers. We agent and we hear app no. It's taking time to install, but then be install it. Obi ade be install e bi de be cha since e bi de so endu say. Me de no my loading my phone too much na I think say che. Nti kwan we ya na de be fa so I install the app. Me do bibia se eba idata.ga.com so anka menya se ebetimi install ewie na me bia kire mo se eye adwuma pepepe ba do kre eye adwuma me wo so ne da enso video na video we so nti me share delete na ma download na fufuro just to let you know it works eye adwuma nti we agent now you use Android phone there just go ahead and download. We download the we are called file manager we be who file and never install it. We install it, you start enjoying your app. It's faster and easy to use. to the send a bema video na enya tintin na wose me cut no my phone is loaded too much tintin na slow to the me cut no but we need to install nko ade a ebeba me do bibia se ba idataga.com so bibia kire waje so amama enya ode se obe chat administration I think say me app na install event yembi eni enhwe say ye adwuma na say enya adwuma say enya adwuma ubi eni say ye be close and I say app enya adwuma wo phone so no ain't me installing but the moment a page will be that means the app is working successfully on my device and on that one idataga.com me mo bibia kwa baba platform isu se na obi website a be hu no sada na we install app na ube hu but ni so ye wo ma ne say app no is meant for agents for enti no we agent a unya mia live so a buy as customer na say bibi and other side no sisi am install no I will just have to log in my same details and if na be register account for fraud bia ube log in keke unya log in pe obi bia be ye adwuma te sese na me ba be ye me I think me save details so until me hwe say beba okay enie aba ti ya no ase melody no me dey shame na aba no cyber 360 me username no yeah no bibia ye adwuma with the app and it's easy and faster one say uko option na ana menu page buy as agents nko na available in the app tunya me ade you are buying as agent and if you are installing so make sure you are an agent send na may have any issue only agent there I would advise everyone to use the website for your Apple user so please use the website for now. As time goes on, you better notify more if your app is also ready or available on the App Store. Bye bye.